guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unsend message on Instagram. Alright guys, first of all, go to your Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of your screen. Then for example, I'm going to send a chat for this account. Just click on the account and then I'm going to type the message. So for example, hello. Okay, and I'm going to send this message, so I'm just going to tap on send option, and then if you want to unsend this message, you can simply tap and hold on the message like this, and then you just need to click on unsend. Okay, and now the chat is gone. And alright guys, that's all the way to unsend message on a chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.